Exhale, reach. Left hand forward, right hand back, warrior two. Shoulders over the waist, deepen. Okay, maybe you make your way into your extended side ankle breathing here. Or you go into the bind. If you're taking the bind, really find that connection of the hands. This is a hip opener, Birds of Paradise in, as well as this binding posture. When you're ready, bend into the right knee. You'll step the right foot forward to the top of the mat, joining the left. Still holding on. I'm going to take a few steps back. Okay, so from here, you'll come onto the ball of the left foot, bend into the right knee so you have a soft standing leg. You can rise up. Oh, that was really good, Gene. But everyone, notice how there's still that soft bend even though I'm standing. And when you're ready, maybe you attempt to flex through the foot and press the heel towards the ceiling. Towards the camera. Okay, everybody. Pressing your left hand into the earth. Let's slowly rise up to close out this class, everyone. So that last song was the OJ's I Swear I Love No One But You. And I think that that's a beautiful thing to sing to someone else, but it's an even more beautiful